To do the accent challenge, all you have to do is answer the following questions. Why not record and upload it to YouTube? Hey bunnies, for today's video we're going to be doing the accent tag / accent challenge. Now this challenge has been going on for like ever, like it's super old, but I'm just now getting around to doing it. So that's what we're going to do right now. If you want to see how I sound out, pronounce whatever common household words or names, then keep on watching. Your name and username. My name is Lori. My username is TheFourFiveFour. Where you're from? Jamaica. Yes, born and raised. Pronounce the following words: aunt, roof, roots, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, pecans, both, again, probably, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas, caught, naturally, aluminum, jiff, tumbler, Cracker Jack, doorknob, envelope, GPOY. I don't know what that is. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? TPing. Right? When you TP someone's house. What is a bubbly carbonated drink called? A soda. What do you call gym shoes? Sneakers. Right? What do you call your grandparents? Grandma, grandpa, Papa Earl. Yeah. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? A trolley or a cart. What is the thing you change the TV channel with? A TV remote. Choose a book and read a passage from it. Babe, I need a book. Babe. Okay, so I only have like so many actual books, like physical, literal books. So the book I'm going to be reading from is W.E.B. Du Bois, The Soul of Black Folk. In 1888, Du Bois earned his bachelor's degree from Fisk, and in 1890 he earned a second bachelor's from Harvard. He studied for 2 years in Berlin at Friedrich Wilhelm University. During his time there, he traveled throughout Europe and for the first time in his life, experienced the life free of American racial politics. The end. Do you think you have an accent? I know I have an accent because, you know, I'm from a different country, but when I'm in that particular country, when I'm home in Jamaica, I don't feel like I have an accent. End audio post by saying any 3 words you want. Pumpkin pie, Starbucks, cranapple. If you guys have any more tags that you want me to do, if you guys have done this tag and you did a video on it or whatever, leave it in the comment section below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Follow me back.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. I deleted my shit, so I can't even tell y'all where to follow me at. About that, deleted that shit.
Oh, but follow her Snapchat though.
Hated that. Oh yeah, read the girl.